Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Malik Faraz. I came up with another video where you will learn how to recover your deleted photos from your Android phones. So let's move to the video, but don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates. First of all, you need to go to the Google Play Store to get the app which named as Photo Recovery, or you can get it from any other app. I also mentioned the link of this app in the description from where you can get it. Download it and wait for it to be installed. After the installation completed, give it to the permission it required to run the app. So now here you can choose your SD card to recover photos from that too. Now run the second recovery method, which is little slower but most efficient for photo recovery. So now all we have to do is wait, and after that you will see the option to view your recovered photos. So I'm just skipping it to save the time and moving to the folder where you can see all recovered photos. Here you can see it almost recovered 6,000 photos or more, including very high quality photos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comment. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.